Welcome back, Budget 101 peeps. Today we're making roasted root veggies with lamb. You'll need 2 large beets. These have been peeled and diced. Add them to your bowl. Then you're going to add 1 large yam that's been peeled and diced, 1 large onion that's been peeled and diced, 2 carrots that have been sliced thinly, and 1 large red or green bell pepper that's the seeds have been removed and diced. Now drizzle on about a tablespoon of olive oil and stir until the veggies are coated. Now let's add our seasoning. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of dried sage, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stir it all up to ensure that all of the vegetables are evenly coated. Once you've done that, grab your ground lamb and break it up into small chunks. You don't have to be picky with it, just break it up. I'm only using half a pound here because I've actually reduced this recipe. I'm making a half batch this evening. And then stir it all up to ensure that all of the pieces of lamb are also coated with the seasoning. Add a habanero pepper. That's optional if you don't like the extra spice. Now we're going to spray the dish with a nonstick cooking spray. This is a misto sprayer. You put a little bit of olive oil in it, you pump it up, and it creates an aerosol. Generously spray it. Transfer your seasoned meat and root vegetable mixture into your dish and spread it evenly around. Now cover it tightly with foil because you're going to bake it at 375 for 20 minutes. At the end of those 20 minutes, you're going to remove the foil and let it bake for an additional 10 minutes. Make sure it's tight, put it in the oven. And there it is, folks. And if you like my oven mitt, those are available through Blue Q on Amazon. Link below in the post. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just follow the purple arrow on the screen. I'd love to hear your feedback, so be sure to drop me a line in the comments below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.